Good job, man. Thanks.
I covered my gut.
I earned it. On behalf of the Central Mountain region of the Antique Automobile Club of America, I am proud to present today a tool set to each of the top performing students here at the Clearfield County Career and Technology Center. Auto mechanics, Joshua Howard. His instructor, Dan Curlin.
Thank you.
Welding, the winner is Kyle Klauser, who unfortunately is not here today. His instructor is Dave Rupert. And the collision repair, the winner is Sean Miller, who again is not here unfortunately today. His instructor is Aaron Dale. Joshua, the rest of the students, job well done. I hope you guys pursue this career in auto mechanics and move your career as follows. If you're a car guy, you're a car guy. And that's what you got here in all our club. Congratulations. Gang, you want to